Hey, KP Gaming here. In the last video, I have shown you how to go from 0 to 1000 followers in Zepeto under 24 hours. That way still works great and you can try it out. In this video, I will show you another great way to increase your followers quickly. With these tricks and methods you can get a lot of friends and followers too, feel free to try them. As you can see, this is the account I used in the last video. It's already at 2000 followers with me only posting 3 pictures. In this video, we will reach 3000 followers very easily. Let's not waste any more time and let's hop into the game. The first method I will try is going to the search bar in the account section. Type Zepeto and click search. Here we need to find the official Zepeto account that has the name Zepeto Global Luna and the tag is @Zepeto. Make sure you find the right one. Scroll down and click on the most recent post. When you are watching this video, it might be a different post. But that doesn't matter, just make sure it's the most recent one. Under the like button, there is a number showing how many people have liked the post. Tap on it. You can follow up to 2000 Zepeto users starting at the top of this list every 24 hours. This is pretty boring, so while doing it you can listen to some music or watch YouTube videos. Alright, as you can see, I'm done with this method and it took me 25 minutes. If you don't see your followers increasing immediately, don't worry. It just takes some time. Let's go to the next method. I will click on this human icon with a plus sign on my page. This brings me here and I click on follow new users and get 500 coins daily. I will follow around 2000 people from this list too. And I'm finished. This took me another half an hour. So it took me around 1 hour to get to this point, but let's do the third method. I will go to this search bar again and type world. I click on tag. Here I choose the first hashtag, called Zepeto World. Go to the new page. I will like the most recent posts in Zepeto. If you really like a post, you can write a nice comment. People love comments. I will do this for around half an hour too. Alright, I'm finished now. I'm going to check my messages and make some friends. I will go to bed and see my followers tomorrow. And after 24 hours, the challenge to get 3000 followers is completed. Also, let's check out the likes on these pictures. Not bad. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.